Today we have the idiot's guide to fixing the blower motor on a Ford Ranger. Let's do it. Step one is diagnosis. Let's do it. Turn on the air. There's that clicking noise. I don't like that. That's bad. Now, it doesn't really change with the AC on. Right now I have only the fan on. So we know it's not the AC, it's not the compressor, it's just the fan because only the fan is on. Cool, we've got a diagnosis, let's move on. Well, getting shocked sucks, so let's unhook that. There we go. That's the negative side, black. Unhook the black, it's easy. All right, motor's off. We've got the battery unhooked, so where's the blower motor? I don't know, well, let's find it. It's this bad boy right here. Okay. This right here connects the motor blower to some electrical stuff, so unplug it. So we've unhooked this little connector guy. It's just held on by this little pin, so you just got to use two hands to get it out of there. The next thing is unhooking this little hose right here. It's hard to see in the light, but it's just down there, you just pull it out. So now it's pretty much all the way unhooked. Now we got to unbolt it. Let's do it. Now, I called this the unbolter, and we've got it set to 8 M&Ms. Okay, that's the size of this bolt right here. It's gonna be different on other vehicles, but whatever. And if you're stupid like me, you'll wanna make sure that it's set to loose, not tight. Lefty loosey, righty, not loosey. Okay, got it? This is exciting. Yep, just do this for a while. It's fun. Hey, we got a screw out. Let's put it somewhere safe, like, I don't know, there. Whatever. Let's go to the next one. Now, I count 3 of these screws, bolts, whatever, on this outside section. I don't even know what it's called, but I know you have to get it off to get down to the motor, to the fans. So let's do it. I count 3. 3. We got one more to go. Did I mention this is an idiot's guide? So, with this bolt right here, this last one, it's in a spot that's so tight I can go exactly 1 click per turn. So it's gonna take me about an hour to get it. Be back! Now, if you're stupid like me, you'll accidentally unplug some other stuff. Just plug it back in and you'll be fine. So back to it. Give you the most monotonous crap in the world. That's it. Just go, go, go until it's just barely too tight that I can't do it with my hand. I can't reach in there with any other tools. And this thing, I'm only getting that much rotation, so you might have to deal with this. It sucks, but do it. All right, now we've got the bolts off. Let's take it out and, oh crap, we've got a problem. This honking thing is in the way, so now we gotta take it out. Let's figure it out. All right, so whatever this thing is, it's in the way. If we look right down there, we see where I actually just did this. So there was a bolt right there that you got to come out with, and down in here there's 2 little brackets that's hooked onto. You just got to push it out and it'll come out of the way, then you can pull it. But wait, it gets more fun. Even once you get this unhooked down there, you got to unhook this big old thing. So I had to right here unplug this so that now I can move this out of the way. Got to pull this back. And at that point, this just pulls right out. And now, if we look in here, we will see leaves and other debris. I found some in here. You know, I just kind of shook it out. Oh, there's some more just coming out of the bottom. So we're just gonna clean it. All right, what we're doing here, we're literally just reaching in here and grabbing dirt and leaves and all that kind of crap that's gotten stuck in there, because Ford apparently uses middle schoolers to design their crap back in the day. So leaves and stuff just come right through here and it ends up in your freaking car. So take it out, that's it. I've also encountered another problem. There's a crack. Well, I've got 2 cracks in this plastic, and I'm really just running the route of, I hope this isn't the problem, I hope it's the leaves. I've gotten all the leaves out I can, so now I'm just gonna punch this back in here. Gotta pull this stuff back out of the way so I can wedge this back. All right, I've got it back in there, and I didn't film that part because I needed both hands. There's nothing to it. You honestly just have to just get this back in there, make sure you put it on the way that it was when you took it off to begin with. There's gonna be hoses and crap that's in the way, so just move it, and ram it in there. It's easy. All right, now we're just getting these bolts back in there. It uses 3 bolts, but I'm honestly considering only putting 2 in because this one down here, I hate it so much. If I ever have to deal with it again, I don't want to. So, hell, I might just do 2 bolts. All right, we're working on that last frickin' bolt. In the meantime, let's do some checks. Did you plug this back in? Did you bolt it back in? Yes, you did. Is it hooked in on the other sides? Yes. Did you hook this back up? You did, but you didn't tighten it yet, so make sure you do that. This freaking tube came unhooked. Make sure you hook it back in. You're stupid like me, that means you accidentally unhooked some stuff and forgot, so just give yourself a check. Did you plug the battery back in? Did you plug in that big fan vent thing? Did you? You probably didn't. Make sure you do. Plug that in. Just plug it all in and let's see how it goes. Alright, I've only got one last issue, and that's this little gap right here. When I put this back in, I'm what's known as really weak, so I'm having trouble getting this back on, but we can do it. Alright, here's the part that makes me most apprehensive. To see if it worked! The noise is still there. Shit! Alright, reflection time. We took apart the blower motor, took out a bunch of leaves, thinking that that was going to be the problem, making that clicking noise when my fan was on, but it was not. It's probably those cracks in there, but if your car is making a bunch of clicking noises, it might be leaves, it might be a crack in there. If it's leaves, problem solved. Take it out, take the leaves out, put it back in. Easy. See ya.